Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be performing an oil change on the driveway. I'm going to be using the Amazon oil siphoning tool or evacuator. I got my oil filter. Because my driveway's on a little bit of an angle, I had to jack it up to level it out a little bit. So I'm just going to hook up the air hose, and I'm just using a 20-gallon air compressor, what everyone else has. So let's see how long it takes. Okay guys, that went by not too bad. Took roughly about 10 minutes, I'd say about 13 minutes. I did have a little bit, what I was checking is the indicator. I did have an oil change in here. Well, I had about 6 liters in here. 6 liters in here. So I was just making sure it went up to close to about 10. Right, this thing does take about 3.8, but when you suck it out or siphon it out, it takes out more, which some people may argue, oh, you need a little bit of oil in the oil pump or a little bit of oil, but it doesn't really matter. You're going to just be using your basic oil and filter, no big deal, API approved. This is a little 2-liter who cares engine, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you on the next one. But, oh yeah, by the way, this Amazon tool is very, very helpful, especially for home use.